Hello, my friends, and welcome back to a News and Nonsense. I have back with me again the Invisible Dan. I have Joe, Ron. There he is. Joe, Ron, and myself, of course. This is just a quickie news and nonsense for some laughs. How does that sound? The city of Pompeii in Italy. They have a robot dog patrolling the ruins of ancient Italian city Pompeii. Officials in Italy said they have enlisted the service of a robot dog to patrol the ancient ruins of Pompeii. I don't know if the dog is Sicilian or one of the heads of the five families, but there's a patrol dog. I don't know. Hey, Giuseppe, what is it? This dog, Giuseppe? What is the matter with you? I don't know.
So if he sees a hydrant, does he become a robo-crapper?
Robo-crapper, yeah. He craps nuts and bolts. That's what it is. Yeah, right. Yeah. Okay. All right.
Craps nuts and bolts.
Anyway,
Gets constipated on a lock washer.
There's a natural picture of. Okay, all right. Yeah, right. Yeah, I know. Anybody from Oregon who's watching this? Oregon's The Sports Bra is a new sports bar for women's sports. They call it the Sports Bra, a new sports bar. Man, say that fast 10 times. That actually kind of clever, guys. Well, hey, honey, I'm going to the Sports Bra. It's a sports bar for women. When you think about it, it makes sense, right? Anyway. In Britain, a stranded bull is hoisted from a backyard swimming pool. First of all, how does a bull wind up in the street, in the residential, and then wind up in the pool? That he used one of those construction crane hoists to get the bull.
Too warm over there. The bull really probably was freezing to death.
I guess it's the first time for everything, right? Florida, alligator evicted from newly constructed home. Guess he didn't pay the rent. I don't know, but that's what it says.
Yeah, I guess so.
Yeah. World's longest wooden roller coaster breaks its own record. This is in Ohio. Cool. Because
they have one called the Gemini that's made out of wood.
Okay, this one is
Cedar Point.
It's 2 feet longer. Cool. Of course, how do you keep the wood from rotting? I think I'll pass on that ride. Yeah, I'm just saying.
Yeah.
Here we go again. Escaped bull clashes with residents' mailbox in New Jersey. There's a lot of bull going around. Okay.
Yeah.
Kentucky. A truck crash spills bottles of beer across Kentucky highway. What's the name of that song? 99 bottles of beer on the wall. In this case, 99 bottles of beer on the highway. Anyway. Okay. Oh, this is so cute. There's a picture of a possum in Australia. Where's Vince? In Australia, possum clinging to a buoy off the Australian coast. It's got a picture. Help me! Oh, that is so funny. Police in New York. What is it with the animals? Police in New York warn of wallaby on the loose from a local zoo.
Holy, jeez.
Yeah. I don't know. Something going on.
Zoo got sloppy.
Last one. Here we go with the deer. A herd of deer overruns Wisconsin pub once smashes through the window.
Even I didn't hear about that one.
Yeah,
I know you're. Yeah, a Wisconsin bar showed a video of the moment a herd of deer overran the establishment's patio area. Man, those deer know how to party there.
They do.
Yeah. Anyway, yeah, this happened in Wisconsin. So, oh dear. This is cute. This happened in Florida. Mother duck hatches eggs at Florida Hospital's maternity center. Oh. Florida Hospital's labor and delivery center welcome an unusual delivers like 8 ducklings. I think it's 8. When a mother duck hatched her eggs in the facility's court. Oh. Isn't that a feel-good story? Anyway.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah, a little Wescally Webbity duck. Anyway.
My granddaughter asked me today, she's 5.5 years old, she says, Grandpa, she says, why did the chicken do jumping jacks? I said, I don't know why they do jumping jacks. Because he wants scrambled eggs.
That's one for, okay, I'm jotting this down. Clever. I had one earlier that you guys didn't like, but sorry, I flunked on that one. Okay. About the birds. Okay. Anyway, police help wrangle llama on the loose in British Columbia Highway. When was the last time you said the word llama?
Wow.
Seriously. If I could talk to the animals. Well, today's April Fool's Day as we're doing this, so The animals says they all said that they all got together to pull the joke on all of the humans, I guess, today, right?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah,
Anyway,
there you go.
that's all I have. Bye.